Okay, today is Wednesday, July 9th, and it's been about 80 days, 84 days since I ordered this building. It showed up here last night, was supposed to show up here in the afternoon. It got here about shortly after 8 p.m. It's 6 a.m. right now on the 9th of July. Might have said that already. They worked till about 9 o'clock last night. First thing right off the bat, they sent me the wrong roof. Not happy with that at all. And that's a more expensive designed roof. And they said, oh, don't worry, that's not going to cost you any more. Well, the fact is, I did not want that roof. That's going to turn into a automotive spray booth. I wanted the basic roof with the round curved roof, which is completely sealed. It doesn't have eaves with holes that the birds are going to nest in, and it's going to be hard to seal. And I was talking to the company yesterday, which is Carports, and I called them about 2:45 in the afternoon Tennessee time, and was talking to somebody on the phone, and the phones mysteriously just shut off at 4 p.m. Isn't that lovely? So hopefully today will be a better day. And then one of the only people here on the crew that actually speaks English, which is another treat you get to deal with, informed me that they didn't have the trim to trim that roof out. So I'm going to be calling them at 8 o'clock as soon as they open up and find out what the hell's going on here. So far, not so good. I'll do an update as the day continues. I'll be time-lapse filming this, and they're going to have to fix this somehow.